If thinking about money makes you nervous, you're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed when it comes to managing their finances. The good news is, with a little planning and effort, you can take control of your financial future. But you still want to secure your future, right? It's all about taking small, manageable steps that lead to big results over time. Then this is for you. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps. First up, set your goals. Think about what you want to achieve financially. Do you want to buy a house, travel the world, or save for a comfortable retirement? Write it down. Having clear goals gives you something to work towards and keeps you motivated. Next, know your income and expenses. This is crucial. You need to understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. Track every dollar coming in and going out. Use a budgeting app or a simple notebook to keep tabs on your spending. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. It's like making a map for your money. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can start planning for the future. Now, build an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. This fund will help you cover unexpected costs, like medical bills or car repairs, without going into debt. After that, start investing. Even small amounts can grow big over time. The key is to start early and be consistent. Look into stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Diversifying your investments can help you manage risk and increase your chances of earning a good return. Don't forget to review and adjust your plan regularly. Life changes, and your plan should too. Whether you get a new job, have a baby, or face unexpected expenses, it's important to revisit your financial plan and make adjustments as needed. And remember, it's okay to ask for help. You don't have to do this alone. Financial advisors can guide you on your journey. They can provide expert advice and help you make informed decisions about your money. So take the first step today. Your future self will thank you. By taking control of your finances now, you're setting yourself up for a more secure and fulfilling future. Secure your future with a solid financial plan. It's never too late to start, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So why wait? Start planning today and watch your financial dreams become a reality.